Okay, good morning to all. We have to move further. I already talk about this particular part, obtain the expression for the activities of the different types of the electrolyte. As we have already derived the equation for the activity and the activity coefficient. Okay, how we can calculate the activities A plus or minus, that formula we have seen already. A plus or minus is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y. M plus or minus x plus y raised to x plus y, and gamma plus or minus raised to x plus y. That formula already we have seen. We have to use that formula to obtain the activities of the different types of the electrolyte. Here we have to talk about the univalent type of the electrolyte, unibivalent, then the unitrivalent and the bitrivalent electrolyte. These four types of the electrolytes are there in your particularly syllabus. Now today we are going to obtain the expression for the activities of the univalent type, means the is to type electrolyte. Univalent type example are HCl, NaCl, copper sulfate, KBr, KOH, etc. Out of that, when you take the HCl, HCl will dissociate into the H plus and Cl minus. Here we have to identify the number of the cations and the number of the anions. Okay, means x is number of cations, y is nothing but the that number of anions. Here for this case, univalent type of the electrolyte, both are the one. Here by mistake the y is equal to 2 is written. Neglect that. You have to take y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. Then we will get this activity is given by the A plus or minus activity for the cation and anion, and for whole electrolyte we are write it as a mean ionic activity. Mean ionic activity A plus or minus is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, m raised to x plus y, and gamma plus or minus raised to x plus y. We will substitute for the x and y, and after that we will get the answer. A plus or minus is equal to m square gamma plus or minus square. 1 raised to 1, 1 raised to 1 will be the 1. Simply m raised to 1 plus 1 will be the m square. Gamma plus or minus raised to 1 plus 1 will be nothing but a gamma plus or minus square. Okay, that is about the activity of the univalent type of electrolyte. It is also called as a 1:1 type, means one cation is there and one anion is there, that you have to remember. Obtain the expression for the activities of the unibivalent type of the electrolyte. Here examples are nothing but a copper chloride, CuCl2, KCl2, Na2SO4, zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Anyone you can take and you can try for that. You have to write first of all the dissociation reaction. Zinc will dissociate at that chloride will dissociate as zinc 2 plus 2Cl minus. Means here you can see x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Okay, now we will use the formula of the activity, mean ionic activity. A plus or minus is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, m raised to x plus y, gamma plus or minus raised to x plus y. When you substitute about this x and y, we will get again these things: 1 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 2 plus m plus 1 raised to 2 and gamma plus or minus raised to 1 plus 2. Means 1 raised to 1 simply will be that 1 raised to 1 will simply will be the 1, and 2 raised to 2 will be simply the 4. 2 square will be the 4. Okay, then a plus or minus is equal to 4 m cube gamma plus minus cube. That will be the activity of this particular 1:2 type of electrolyte. Similarly, we have to talk about activity of the 1:3 type electrolyte, or say unitrivalent type of the electrolyte. There are the example AlCl3, you can take Na2PO4, you can take H3PO4, you can take. Okay, if you take the AlCl3, AlCl3 will dissociate as Al3 plus that particular 3Cl minus. Then it will becomes x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Number of cations is equal to 1, number of anions is equal to 3. Then when you take the formula for the activity and the activity coefficient, that mean ionic activity A plus or minus is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, m raised to x plus y, gamma plus or minus raised to x plus y. And after substituting all this value, you will get 1 raised to 1, 3 raised to 3 into m raised to 1 plus 3, gamma plus or minus raised to 1 plus 3. 3 cube will be the 27. A plus or minus is equal to 27. M raised to 4 because 1 plus 3 is 4 and gamma plus or minus raised to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, this is the activity, mean ionic activity of the 1s to 3 type of electrolyte. Obtain the expression for the activities of the bi-trivalent type of the, or so you can say 2s to 3 type of electrolyte. Example is Ap2SO4 thrice. When you take the dissociation reaction of this particular salt, you will find Ap2SO4 thrice will dissociate as twice Ap3 plus plus 3SO4 2 minus. Means here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. When you substitute these values in the equation of the mean ionic activity, then you will get a plus or minus is equal to 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 3, m raised to 2 plus 3, and gamma plus or minus raised to 2 plus 3. Then final answer will be the, when you take 2 square of the 2 will be the 4 and the cube of the 3 will be the 9. 9 into 4 will be the 108 and m raised to 2 plus 3 will be the 5 and gamma raised to 2 plus 3 becomes equal to 5. That's why the activity will nothing but the a plus or minus is equal to 108 into m raised to 5 into gamma plus or minus raised to 5. All you have got this. Here we will stop.